How to hide profile view history on TikTok. Firstly, you have to install the TikTok app in your Android. Now you have to open the app and you can see this is the desktop of your TikTok. At the bottom there are different options like home, friends, plus, inbox and the profile. At the last there is an option of the profile. Click on it and click on the three lines which appear at the right top corner. Click on settings and the privacy. There is an option of the privacy. Click on it. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. There are different options by scrolling this bar. Profile views, by clicking on it, and when you have to turn it off. In this way you can hide the profile view history on TikTok. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.